What's behind you?
Let's see.
We made sure to rent a 4x4 today because we had read that this road is a bit rough, you know.
There's various transit options to get out here because it's an old road maintained by locals. So you can get out here by mule as well, and horse
Motorbike
as well.
What?
Nothing. I was just looking over the cliff there. And more landslides to give you an idea of what can happen out here. First off,
today we're over in Los Campesinos, just near Cape Coast, and this place is known for some of the longest hanging bridges in Costa Rica, and also they have some really amazing waterfalls. And then we also noticed on the drive up here that the plants are pretty phenomenal. So we're really excited about this place. It looks really nice, and come join us. So here we have a eucalyptus tree. It has just about the coolest colored bark I've ever seen. It's really amazing. Looks like somebody just painted the tree trunk. What's behind you?
let's see. The main highlight of this place is this giant suspension bridge. That's why we came here. We've seen some great footage of it, so we're about to embark on it. It's just started to rain just a little bit, but anyways, here we go.
Well, this is slippery.
There's a lot of give in the bridge.
It's a little wonky, eh?
It's quite wobbly, actually. It's pretty cool. Like,
I'm overcoming one of my fears, guys, which is ledges. Steep faces and ledges make me very nervous.
so like now, it's scary.
That's scary. This is a very, very, very long bridge. It's a very long way down. Taking a little bit. How are your nerves?
It's interesting. I'm not like super scared, but this is like, it's interesting.
I don't want to look down. It scares me. Wow, look at the pterodon.
We see a lot of philodendron pterodon in Costa Rica, but on this trip, on the way over here, we saw some of the biggest, nicest ones ever.
Yeah.
I'm sure we're going to see a lot on this trail, but probably on the way back, we're going to have to film some
For
amazing
sure.
plants out here.
Ooh, look at this monstera. Don't fall.
This place, the trails are fantastic and everything, but it has the deal where in the jungle, this place is super moist and wet, and it just feels like it's never been dry. So it's super slippery even when it doesn't
Yeah,
look
very slippery. Whoa, look at these falls. This is beautiful.
We're the most fired up we've been on one of these trips, I think, ever, just because it's so beautiful out here. Trees. This one's easy.
It's a small one. What am I looking at?
The bridge from way up there.
Oh yeah,
Oh
you can
my
see. Oh,
goodness.
is that the one we have? Is that the one we did, or is this the
Yeah.
one? Oh, okay.
It's scarier now.
What have we found here?
This is magical. It's amazing. We have a waterfall with a little pool. And look, my hat's off to everyone who maintains all these trails through the jungle and in the world generally for all us hikers to go through. But whoever did this one went above and beyond. Look at this.
Yeah.
We brought concrete out here to make steps. It's very slippery and treacherous. Thank you so much, whoever did this. This is a locally maintained tourism area. So basically families who live around here have made this and maintained it. And wow, what amazing work they've done.
Woo! Yay! Okay, here's the prize. Here's the winner. Oh my goodness, look at those waterfalls. This is paradise. I want to live right here.
I'm going in.
Going. Cold? That is really awesome. What do you think?
This is one of the best of the waterfalls. Just
Yeah.
because it's so private, it's so nice. The trail here is so nice.
This area
Good company.
is literally like a paradise. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. You guys can see way up there, there's a hanging bridge we have to cross. This is the big one, guys. This is the big one. might not look like something really beautiful at the moment, but this is an apicia. And I actually love apiceas. I collect them at home. I have varieties that I've gotten at local nurseries, but this one's beautiful. It's got this kind of dark purpley burgundy color. So I don't know what color the flowers would be, obviously, since it's not flowering. There's another one up here, and oh, so this one's starting to develop a little bud here, so it will flower soon. Woo, 40 meters. Are you ready, folks?
All right. The second of the large bridges, 40 meter height, 130 feet, whatever that is. Let's go.
40 meter height. Woo, woo. It's a long bridge.
Can you see this view?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I mean, I have to admit, I'm 75% scared.
It's gonna take two hands.
Oh my god. I'm so scared. Alright, check out the waterfall though. I'm just gonna focus on that. Oh my god, it's so shaky. Okay, thank goodness. We're at the end of the bridge here. Ooh, beautiful spot. So the water is a fantastic color. What do you have here?
Two special treats. I was telling you that this has some fantastic philodendrons in this area. Check this out.
That's giant.
Philodendrons we see quite a lot, but this, so maybe this is like the plant of the year for our channel. But fantastic. Yeah. But the plant of the day for this area that we haven't seen so much of before is this guy, which we're seeing in this region and on the way up, tons of them. We've stopped 20 times to look at these plants. They're so amazing. That was fantastic.
Yeah, I have to say, it really was. You want to do that?
Sure.
Friendly people out here.
So that brings in the hiking portion of this trip. We still have quite a ride back, so I'm sure we're gonna have some outro footage of us on the road back. It was super interesting. We didn't film that much on the way here because we wanted to make sure we had enough battery and film for the hike, but yeah. Just as a recap, for me, this was like a fantastic place.
Yeah, that waterfall is totally worth coming out here. That was really amazing. It's just like a little piece of paradise tucked away in the mountains, and really couldn't ask for anything more.
There's two places you can swim. It's dog friendly. We saw some people out with their dogs.
Yeah.
And this is a great, I think this is a great venture to support. This is community organized, sustainable tourism. As we mentioned, this is a very rural area. You have to go quite far to get out here. But basically, this whole trail and these bridges, it's basically organized and maintained by a few families in this area at the end of this kind of road. And they have a co-op that they all share the proceeds and maintenance of this. So definitely worth doing, and also it just gives you access to a beautiful part of Costa Rica. The people in this area are super friendly.
Yeah, super nice.
It's very much like stepping back in time to, you know, we've been in Costa Rica quite a lot of time. It reminds me of sort of 10, 15 years ago. It's amazing. It's amazing.
And we're gonna put more information in our blog. So if you guys didn't know, we also have a blog where we give you more details of all the trips that we do. So if you guys want to find out how to get here, price, etc., you can just look in the description below. There's a link there to our blog.
Hope you enjoyed today's hike as much as we did. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow. Thanks, and we look forward to having you with us next time.
This tree up ahead. Ooh, beautiful. There's pterodons, there's, I think that's a sagittafolium.
Wow, more roadside plants. Beautiful anthurium on this tree. And there you go, our star philodendron of the day. More bromeliads. Wow.
Ooh, this is awesome. This is so long. What a beautiful plant. I think this might be a sagittafolium. Philodendron sagittafolium.
This is fantastic.